This is not good. It seems like an act of sabotage has happened on the International Space Station ISS. The leak that caused quite a ruckus in the media was not caused by the hit of a meteorite or material error, it was actually caused by a hole drilled by a human. Are you serious? What happened? And what are the consequences? Welcome to Clixoom Science Fiction.
1, 2, 3.
This is not good. Not good at all. What is happening up there? The bad thing is, it seems like no one really knows. The facts? A leak was detected on the space station ISS. Bit by bit, the modules were closed down to determine the location of the leak. Eventually, the crew found a hole in a docked Soyuz capsule, the one used by Alexander Gerst to board the ISS on June 6th, the Soyuz MS-09. At first, a production error, a meteorite or a crack was suspected. Yet shortly after, a former cosmonaut spoke out about it. Maxim Zurayev made the uncomfortable assumption that a crew member was responsible for this. He told RIA Novosti, the state news agency, that it could very well be possible that a crew member pulled off this weird thing. We are all human and we could all want to go home. What? By now, NASA has deleted the picture of the hole from the internet, probably because it is very scary. But we still have it and can now show you the very scary details. You can tell there were numerous sabotage attempts. The driller missed a couple of times before he eventually drilled the hole. Last week, the crew found the hole and was able to mend it using epoxy and a cloth. Roscosmos director Dmitry Rogozin was appointed in May to eliminate problems in the Soyuz program. But now it's even worse. This act of sabotage makes space travel much more dangerous in future. The question remains, who did this? No speculations so far have made sense. Space journalist Eric Berger thinks that there are indicators that the damage had already occurred on Earth. He claims that a technician had already seen this drilling flaw. He closed it with glue so that it wouldn't be noticed during the vacuum tests. Okay, was the glue really strong enough to hold it together for 3 months in space? Where are the traces of glue? Roscosmos director Rogozin won't rule out sloppy work, but another version that we can't dismiss an intentional disturbance in space. Rogozin himself has noticed multiple attempts to drill a hole into the Soyuz capsule. They must have been done with hesitant hands. This is really not a good situation, and it's likely that the hole was drilled in space. So what is happening up there? How can we find the offender? What are the consequences? Will the Soyuz program have to stop? Will the SpaceX Dragon Crew capsule now be in use sooner? This is a disaster, and if it turns out to be true, this would be the first ever sabotage act in space. We will keep you updated on news about it right here. If you are as excited to see what the future of space travel brings as we are, check out our video on 3 days to Mars right here, or check out the theory on was there no Big Bang right here. Subscribe for new videos and activate the bell to never miss any of our 3 new videos right here on Clixoom Science Fiction. Stay tuned. See you soon.